me that she want to do a surrogate. And then I answer her that no problem, I will help her look for surrogate because
my people, una never hear another one don happen again. Na Grace o mama twins, mama six place. Na she cry come out o. I go put the video for una make una lis ten. The short one wey una just lis ten to, I go put the full video more una lis ten. As I just dey waka dey go now come see this her video. She put one lady for there. He say the woman na Italy. Now say na Italy the woman. Then now say make I sit down, make I lis ten well. Grace say this woman wey be say she dey call so na Philomena that they call the woman. He say dey for Italy. The woman is almost 70 years old woman. He say during that time when she born, then this woman come contact her and say, I for like make I do surrogate o. I get husband for Naija for there. So she want make she do surrogate. He say na him come tell her say see how much they take dey do am. He say according to Grace say she dey look for person, she dey help person dey find person wey go help am carry pikin, you know, surrogate. He say na she come tell this woman. According to Grace, una go lis ten to everything. He said the woman don pay small money for the whether na IVF or na the surrogate he pay for. I don't know. Una go lis ten for inside there. Wetin me dey talk about? Grace, when you for egui no egui na you be you know they finish for problem. This one not be visa again. This one na surrogate now pikin. According to you, woman wey dey for 70 years, now you be the doctor. Now you want to do the surrogate. Woman wey dey for 70 years, not be small remember e go another life. Wetin the woman want how the woman want take care of those children? I no understand. According to Grace, now you can't tell the woman say see how much o, see this one. According to her, the way she take do her video now, it be like say Grace never even see the woman one no. This Grace, if you dey talk, now only your side now we don't hear. Now we never hear about the woman side. Because now you there for media. Now you go feel wrong, come and say, make una help me tell the woman. Maybe the woman go come see bring her come out. We come they know wetin dey go on. 70 years old woman want do surrogate. The woman not there on ground. I never understand which kind surrogate una want do. No vessel. Shebi they want do surrogate, then they need the woman egg. Then the husband to do this something. Or maybe then they find another person egg to another. I don't know. I just they ask. Because if you do surrogate, say your own egg not there. Meaning that pikin not be your own as a woman. Abi? I just they ask. If na for sperm donut when they donate now, I dey understand say okay, not be your husband na you get am. But me this I don't understand this Grace at all. More na no verse. I don't understand. Grace said the woman now since November be October now she dey call the woman no gree answer call again. Say the woman don gbaga after they don see the woman person wey wan carry the belle now don dey big down. Na no na when they do all those things na operation na want take born. Then Grace say the woman now she not know where he dey. He say make we help her find am. She even put the address of the woman for her video say make they help her find am. You know say that thing wey you do Grace na e dey against the law. Go carry person address put am for social media. This woman wey you say dey 70 years old now, una get contracts. You with am sign paper. Because me I don't know the way some of una dey do something. Person want follow me with person want do something. We just talk am for something wey dey important. Abi una dey think say pikin na just if I no need that again I go through where. I don't understand Grace. Una do I just dey ask because you not talk am for inside there. Even the money where the woman pay you, the half money, you not talk am for inside the video. How much una talk say the woman want pay? Wait, wetin come cause problem where the woman come run? I don't understand. He say na the husband of that woman sperm na dey take do am. Okay? He say so something can happen. She not know wetin happen. Una go hear am for inside there. Grace, me no understand. You know they finish for problem. Why? This one go come na Grace. The other one go come na Grace. Na visa o na Grace o. Na Maggie to put her for inside kpegu so na Grace o. This one na surrogate. You na doctor where they find somebody for person say make they take do surrogate. The woman one you with her never see, not be person where you don't see. Now you make her abroad. I too like abroad though. You know if you do something without no sign. So person no you with the person no sit down go notar you go sign something bring paper come. Just they say now you can't talk to the woman can't say make you go ahead, you can't say make I don't understand. Now you dey talk and say if you no hear from the woman you want terminate the pregnancy. I don't understand. You want by person. Hey, una just dey talk. I don't know. 70 years old woman, you know tell am say that one you know fit work. If na the one where you want adult one, just adult one, make you know say adoption still dey now. People children dey for Nigeria where be say they not get papa, they not get mama. Why you not tell that woman say at your age, not just bother, just adult? You now you still young. That make you go for IVF. You think say everybody fit go for IVF? Woman of 70 years old, that one e brain don dey get as e be. Because once you don dey old, your brain go still dey old. So Grace, me I no understand you. Why you be an enemy wey be say you no dey finish for problem? I'll put the video for now. Make una listen to her video. Make una listen wella. Make una just judge am. She dey talk or she not talk about the money. Now the woman can't give her half. We not know half of what the woman give her. Whether na money na can cause quarrel, we not know. He said the woman not on the buy water, the woman not on the buy food, because you know say when you get surrogate, now you they give her everything, food, also all this one, book boy, now you go the do am. According to Grace, if I ask the woman say not get money, Grace go pay for water and food. I don't understand Grace. If person want do something, either you do or you not they do. Which one you can't they bring your money, can't they pay the other person? Anyway, my people, make I stop for here. Make una be the judge, because she don't run come out now say we not hear the time where she dey in with this woman, they do all these things. So now when the something will come set, then she will come run come out. Maybe the woman tell her say as it be now, I go cry come out. Now Grace first of all come run come out, come tell us say Mona help me draw this woman on. They call her Philomena. Make una see the address for Italy. The woman there for Italy. Gracie, your own children where you train for there, not reach you. You want to go carry another problem because of say open wife for money. How much you charge the woman say they want to do? Now only God know. Anyway, make I drop this video for you. Please help me to love and like and share this video. Leave your comments. If you know that they do this IVF, because I never do it before, I never see person wey do it before. They still they do it like that. Say the woman not there, then they do the IVF, whether an IVF or be, it say IVF plus surrogate. That is the woman when one carry the belly. They still they do it like that. Say your whole thing not go there. They go so that pikin automatic will be you can't be your own. If they can't do blood test, because the woman there for Italy. If the woman want carry those children, why you want to carry and come? Because before you carry your children come, they will do a test for embassy. If they come see and say no, I don't understand. More than no verse, my people. Yeah, make I leave una for here because our video still long a little bit. Make una watch her. Make una drop una una bye bye for now.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. God bless you. My name is Prophetess Grace Ojefo. I am here to talk to women and all women to help me go and talk to Madam Philomena Ojefo, who lives in Italy. I'm going to put her address here. Her name is Philomena Ojefo. She's almost 70 years old. This woman contacted me when I gave birth. And then I think she supported the children 2 times like that. And then she told me that she want to do a surrogate. And then I answered her that no problem. I will help her look for surrogate because I do look for surrogate for people. So I told her no problem. I will help her look for surrogate. Then she can take it up from there. She said no, she wants me to do everything. She even called me her mother, but she's older than me though. But when you come to spiritual realm, she's right. So I accept because she's an Asian woman. I accepted and I help her to get the surrogate and get the price of everything, the surrogate price, the IVF price and everything. I contacted the surrogate company to help me with a good surrogate that will get her a good result. You understand? So after everything, we started. This woman make half payment of the IVF, not even the surrogate, half payment of the IVF. She made the payment and then said after she will send the balance. So I now asked her for the balance after saying the surrogate, because it's time. Because if you want surrogate, you are going to pay for the surrogate test, surrogate treatment. Okay, and then you are also going to pay for the surrogate, the vendor that bring the surrogate. Okay, you pay for it, and then all those things I asked her, and then we calculated everything. She sent half of it. The money now remain half. Okay, and it get to a stage after implanting, she needed to feed the surrogate room with water, fruit, and be giving her money for feeding. All right. So after implanting, I reached out to her to send money for water. She started getting angry. Although some of the things I do them without even telling her. She started getting angry. Why are you angry? I leave her safe because at times she talk out of sense. So I just leave her. I send money for the girl to get the water and food, everything she needed at the apartment, at the hotel where she is, because she's lodged in hotel. You understand? So after 2 weeks confirmation that the thing is positive, we begin to have small arguments in every small thing they ask. So I decided to leave her. If they ask, I'll just do it. If they ask, I'll just do it, and I'll tell her later. So it come to a time she said she on that period that I told her about the water. The man that she at first she said she want to use a sperm donor. Later she said no, that she has an husband in Benin City. She's going to use the man. Okay, now the man has come and do his own part, and later she said she don't want the man to know that she's the one. She's not the one that carried the pregnancy. So in this area, I will mute some things. I'm not going to expose everything because I'm a mother. You understand? And some of these things are secret, are privacy. I'm not going to say it out from this place. You understand? And so I said, okay, no problem. Whatever you discuss is your husband. Go ahead and discuss it. Because you don't want the man to know you send the man to my house. You don't want the man to know you send the man to me to do the necessary things. And you don't want the man to know. I said, sort yourself out. That's none of my business. And the belly is growing. The babies are growing. We are expecting children here, not one. You understand? So, after which, she began to accuse me. When the man called and discussed something with me, she's the one who gave me job. I have to tell her. And as I tell her that once, she began to pick offense. Why am I talking to the man? The man is not helping her in anything. She's the one doing everything. This, that. Madam, Mama, Ije, you are not the only one that carry responsibility. You are not the only one. Don't be deceived. Okay? You are not the only one who carry responsibility of man or carry responsibility of home. In as far you say the man has other wives and other children, your own is to bring your children in the home. Me, I have 6 tuplets. I have 6 children. I'm begging Nigerians to help me beg this woman, because she don't run leave surrogate for me like this now. Surrogate when you get belle, no be say na one pikin dey inside the belle. This woman don't run leave surrogate for me. I've been calling this woman since November till now. She's not picking my call. If I send her voice, she will send me voice since I'm talking to her husband. Since it's my husband, her husband that I want to be discussing with. I should be discussing with her husband. I don't know what both of them have. But why is she putting it on me? Madam Philomena don't run leave surrogate for me with belle. Surrogate go born today and tomorrow. Now say make I come here, can't tell you now, I beg you now, who dey Italy, I will put a picture here, we know her. May help me call her out. I have 6 children that I'm taking care of. I cannot take care of any other person's children to add it to my own. I have 6 sextuplets and their elder sister. Not only that, people that are helping me to take care of these sextuplets, I'm taking care of them. I have another daughter staying with me for years now. Her name is Favor. She's my biological daughter also. So I cannot jeopardize all these my 8 children future to bring another 3 children that I know nothing about, or 2 children that I know nothing about. You said you want to do surrogate. Pay your money and stand up for your responsibility. Mona help me beg am because the surrogate na operation go take born. They need to pay. They need to do many things. They grant surrogate money never pay. IVF money never pay complete. Now me use my money to pay because she say if the girl get belle, now she go pay the balance. Okay, the girl get belle, bring balance. He say if the girl born, now I go bring the balance. They do like that for surrogate or for IVF. Make una help me call am or beg. I be Mama Siso, aka Mama 7, aka Mama 8 plus Favor, aka Mama 19 plus my sister children. When the day house, they help me, they can't take care of children. I beg, I not get helper. I not get mama, I not get papa. Now only me just they do am. Now who they near me, who they close to me, no say. Now only me they carry load when they carry. I know they cry for anybody. Madam Philo, don't run this surrogate for me. Before I end this video, I want to tell you now, make use Philo no say that they use induced injection. If by today is Tuesday, that I make this video, you did not get to me before Friday. In payment, in settlement of the surrogate for the girl might to reach girl. I never tell the girl anything now. I'm providing everything. All this while, I'm going to sign for them to induce the babies out. And don't ask me for anything. And I will do it with my proof because I'm ready to go to court. I love court. So please, this is my last calling, my last talking. I've called the husband in Benin. I don't know. I don't want to record him. But I called him. What he told me, he's not doing according to what he said. I don't know if they are husband. He's even saying if the